Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing safe access. Place the ladder on firm ground and attach fall protection immediately. Once secure, remove shingles around the vent with a shingle knife. Lift tabs gently to avoid tearing. Measure the vent flange and note fastener locations. This prevents cutting wrong shingles. Make sure to keep removed shingles in order and clear debris from the flange area. Now, pry up nails at the vent flange using a pry bar so you can release the old vent without damaging adjacent shingles. With the flange exposed, unscrew or pry out fasteners and lift the old vent straight up. Once removed, scrape away old sealant so the new flange sits flat. Position the new vent so the upper flange tucks under the shingle above and the lower flange lays over the shingle below. This prevents water intrusion. Fasten the flange with corrosion-resistant roofing nails at the pre-noted locations and backfill any gaps with roofing cement. Make sure the vent sits flush, and once the vent is nailed, apply a continuous bead of roofing cement under the flange edges and over the nail heads. Smooth it to form a watertight seal. Reseat any shifted shingles and press tabs flat so water sheds correctly. Make sure there's at least a 1-inch overlap where shingles meet the flange. From the attic, inspect for daylight or gaps, then test with a controlled water stream. If you see a leak, tighten fasteners, add sealant at the penetration, and recheck until dry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.